I'm gonna start recording now. I have to do my intro. I can't play fetch right now. Can you just, let's sit on me, okay. Oh God. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have some special guests joining us. I have my dogs. Yeah! So the one that's sitting on me right now, this is Watson. Lovable boy. He's such a good boy. You are too. And this is Everest. Everest likes to play fetch. Come here. Sit. Hey, over here. Too much is happening. Over here. What do I have here? I have frozen blueberries and some dog food. All right, I need one over here and one over here. Come over here. Haha. Tricked them thinking I was a snack, but it was actually their dog food. So I have 2 dogs with my wonderful girlfriend. We have 2 crazy big dogs. So we have Watson right here, this guy. And then over here, Everest. Over here. Sit, sit. This guy is Everest. He is a baby still, so he has all of the energy of a child. Watson over here, he is a good boy. He's a good little handsome boy, right? You're a good little handsome boy. He is 3 years old. How old are you? And he is a different breed of dogs. Like I was saying, Watson is quite a mix of dogs. So this one over here got a lovely DNA test last Christmas. The DNA test had quite a variety of breeds. He came back as 35.3% boxer, 16% American Pit Bull Terrier, 15.2% Chow Chow, 11.3% Mountain Cur, 8% German Shepherd Dog is what it says, 7.5% Border Collie, and 6.7% Rottweiler. This guy. Like, it doesn't look like him.
I don't know where this came from.
I don't believe it. If you have any guesses on what you think he is, we're probably gonna do like another DNA test to verify, because it just didn't make sense that he was majority boxer. I don't know. So we'll probably do another DNA test just to kind of like see if that's true, because sometimes DNA tests can be wrong. I don't know. Everest is just a full-blown Border Collie. He is about 1.5 years now.
Those are my dogs.
Everest likes to hide underneath tables and things. He just does that, and Watson likes sitting on people. Watson, come here. Come here. Can you sit? Good boy. You be handsome? Who's a good boy? So yeah, I got these 2 lovely boys over here, and they're a handful, but they're great boys. I just realized that my pants are different lengths. I didn't fold both sides. Eventually I want to post more videos on them, kind of like, you know, taking them to the dog park and seeing what they like to do there, and, you know, day in the life of 2 handsome boys. I'm gonna insert some clips of them doing cute tricks because they're cute. Footage that I filmed the other day, I forgot to turn on my mic. Yeah, I'll put that in now. in and getting to know my dogs. If you guys have any questions, any comments, you can leave those down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see more of these lovely boys. They'll be in the background of a lot of my videos. Don't forget to click subscribe, and if you want to watch more, let me know what you want to see out of this channel as well. Comment down below any suggestions or anything you want to tell me. If you even just want to say hi and cute dogs, then that's fine too. I have very slobbery hands right now.
And I have something in my eye.
Thanks for coming back, or thanks for tuning in, or thanks for watching for the first time. Hopefully I didn't bore you too much. If you guys want to follow my dogs, they do have Instagrams. So I'll link that down below as well if you want to follow their Instagrams. Thanks for watching, guys. And hopefully you keep on watching. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye.